Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately with clean, dry skin because alum needs contact to work. Wet the stone or dilute a concentrated crystal into a small amount of water. Use 1-2 drops if using solution. Gently rub the damp alum over your underarm for 5-10 seconds, covering the whole area. You'll feel a brief cooling or slightly mineral sensation. That's normal. Once done, let it air dry. Do not rinse. This creates an invisible salt layer that reduces odor-causing bacteria. Once dried, the alum layer lasts, but you must monitor activity. After exercise or showering, pat the area dry and reapply the wet stone or a small drop of solution. Most people need reapplication every 24 to 48 hours depending on sweat. Make sure to store the solid in a ventilated, dry place so it doesn't dissolve. If using a liquid, measure small amounts, about 1 ml per underarm, and perform a patch test to check for irritation before regular use. To finish, let the alum dry and then dress as usual. You'll notice reduced odor but no blocking of sweat. If you experience stinging, redness, or itching, stop immediately, rinse with cool water and apply a mild moisturizer. Seek medical advice if symptoms persist. If odor returns quickly, there may be oil or deodorant residue. Clean and gently exfoliate before trying again. If the stone dissolves too fast, store it dry and out of direct water flow. Avoid using on broken skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.